No.
You're not doing it yet, are you? Are you? I'll go ahead and do it.
You want me to stop it?
No, it's alright. Okay, let's look at our problem here. So we got all these little pieces that we want to clean up. So on the edges, you see this? You want, pull this up. So let gravity help you out. Just by heating it up, let all that stuff fall down. All the way down like that. And then you turn it this way. That's the hot side. You don't want to hold the hot side. You keep turning the hot side away from you. That's how you clean up the edges. Now, take a shot of that. Look at that down there. We want to move this stuff out of the way. Kind of like ghetto air hockey. Alright, so if you got a really big gap over here, then it's going to go through onto the other side. Yours doesn't look too bad. There's a couple of spots. And it does become kind of a game of hitting a little bit on one side and then going to the other. You're going to have to move your soldering iron kind of quick. Pretty good though. And the more you work on this, if you heat it up, let it cool, heat it up, let it cool, guess what's going to happen? And the solder is going to get really weak. So you don't want to spend classes, days doing that over and over again, because everything's going to get weak and it's going to fall apart. I'm already worried about this. This is a design flaw here that we talked about. You've got a line going straight across right there. It's going to be real weak. I'm not going to mess with it, but it's be very possible that it can just bend right there if I were to bend this one. You don't have that problem anywhere else, but you generally don't want to design a piece that's going to have one solder line that goes straight from one side to the other. It makes it weak. Alright, overall that looks pretty good. There's one more right there. Go ahead and get that off. Then I'm going to let you kind of look over it a little bit. But like I said, don't just keep heating it up and fine-tuning. You got to know when to quit. All right.